Stoelting Cleaning is one of the industry leaders in building industrial cleaning machines. An industrial cleaning machine is a machine that goes in line with the manufacturing process and cleans parts.
But what's really unique about Stoelting is a lot of the projects we work on are customized machines for a customized solution.
We have an on-site laboratory and testing equipment so we can provide the customer a solution, not just a piece of equipment. The lab helps us give more of a proof of concept. Instead of just recommending what we think is the right solution, we can actually prove out that our concept works. So the customer will have the utmost confidence when they choose us as a vendor.
One of our strengths in our company is the people, whether it's the sales team or the tenure of our design team, right to our manufacturer and our builders and assemblers.
Here at Stoelting, we always try to bring in some of our engineering team and our lab technician to make sure that the customer understands the process that we're designing around their parts and work to get their whole team involved with our team to make sure that we get a great solution.
We make them feel comfortable in the beginning when we're deciding what equipment is the best for their solution. We maintain communication with them, make them feel comfortable through the approval process and the design process. And then before everything is done, we have them on site to our facility. And then we have a factory acceptance test before every machine is shipped out, where a customer can come in, run the machine, and actually look it over and make sure they're comfortable before they actually sign off and pay for it and it's shipped out.
And then following the sale, the post-sale, when the machine lands at that customer, the machine gets set up correctly, the customer gets trained, and all their employees gets trained correctly.
We will go through a series of training. We'll not only train the operator, but we'll train the maintenance technician, we'll train the electrical technician. And it's unique to each customer because not every customer has a maintenance department. Not every customer has an electrical technician. The person that has been assigned has been to their facility. They know the background of the customer and they know the background of the machine itself, and them knowing the whole situation just makes it that much easier.
And then if there's any issues following that, our technical service team is just a call away and can be on site to help that customer with any troubleshooting that is required at that time.
Probably one of the best things is going out on the floor at the customer's facility after it's been installed and getting to meet with the team there and talk about how the solution has helped them.
Buy a product from us, you're probably not going to come back to buy a replacement for that machine for 20, 25, even 30 years that people keep these machines going if they're maintained properly. We have a long history of customers that buy another machine after they experience what they go through with us for the first time. We work hard to make sure that the customer's satisfied. What we say is what you're going to get from us. There's nothing more we want is to have a customer satisfied and come back when the application is right to buy another machine from us. That's when we know we've succeeded.